How to make Lofi dust filter photo on Instagram story. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can make Lofi dust image on Instagram story. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. Just open the Instagram app, and then here you can see the plus icon. Simply you need to click on this plus icon, and then this type of interface will be pop up. Simply you need to select your picture here. So let me just select this picture. Now here what you need to do, just simply tap here. Okay, once after tapping here, you will get to see one option, that is restyle option. Simply click on restyle, and then here you'll see this type of interface. Just scroll this side, and then here you can see you got one option, that is Lofi dust. Okay, simply you need to click here, and then you just need to hold for few moments, and then your Lofi dust, you can see here your Lofi dust photo has been created. So this is how you can create a Lofi dust photos on your Instagram story, and then you can just share on your Instagram story. Thanks for watching.